The first view that is popular between the ulama is the view which they call مبنى تعدد الآفاق, the opinion of تعدد الآفاق, or in English, the opinion of multiple horizons, meaning different horizons have different laws. So basically what this view says, the ulama that believe in this view, they say if the moon was spotted in a local area, you can rely on it. But if it was a distant area, you're not allowed Islamically to rely on it. Now what's the range? What's the exact criteria or definition for local and distant areas? So how do we define that? Now different ulama will have a different criteria, and even some ulama themselves, they will tell you there isn't a definite answer. For example, amongst the proponents of this view is a Sayyid al-Sistani, hafidhahullah, and if you were to ask him, he tells you, I can't give you a clear-cut answer on which areas you can rely on and which areas you're not allowed to rely on. He will tell you it depends. It depends on many things, many factors. Which season is it? Where on earth are you spotting the moon? There's many astronomical factors, he says, that you have to determine first in order to see which areas you're allowed to rely on and which you're not allowed to rely on. But as a general rule, as Sayyid al-Sistani says, the radius is approximately, it can differ from time to time, place to place, it's approximately 140 miles. So if you draw a circle, 140 miles on a map, all those areas, they share the same law in their horizons. If the moon was spotted anywhere in that circle, that entire area, they can rely on it. If it's further, it's difficult. Now this is the general point, law that he gives. It may differ from time to time. Sometimes it will be more. It may reach 200 miles. It may reach 300-400 miles. Sometimes it will be much less. So it all depends on many astronomical details. But the point is that you have to spot it locally. The entire earth cannot, have one same law, that they all begin the new month on the same day.